So let's pick up where we left off. The last time we had glued up this piece right here, and this is to align the fin or the wings. They catch on to here, and I glued this up. And I recommend that you allow it to dry, because once it's dry, it's not flopping all around, and we can glue it in place. And so in the steps, in the instructions, this is step 17, and this gets glued 3/4 of an inch from the front. So let me get some paper towels. So, you know, I always make a mess. And we're going to, let me stuff the shock cord inside of here just so that I get it out of the way. Okay, so we're going to put glue on this. It's like way too much glue. I usually take off about 80 to 90% of the glue that I put on. Okay, and then that is going to go right here along these two lines. And it actually goes in between the lines. So the edge of the part will go on the edge of the line. So it's not right in the middle. And it's the same thing on this side. See, this is why you don't want that to be floppy. You want it glued up. I'm going to take a lot of that glue off, because the more glue is on, the more floppy it is. Just like that. And I want to, the most important thing is that these two dowels are parallel, because they're going to go inside of some launch lugs that hold the wings together. And if they're going in different directions, they're not going to slide in. So they need to be parallel. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry. And then once that's dry, we will come back and put a fillet on it, and that will lock it in place and make it really strong. Okay, so previously we had glued up this piece right here. This is the piston frames. And now we're on step 21, so we're jumping ahead a little bit, because we have already built it. It's in my bag here. We need to grab the coupler tube right here, and this is going to go inside, and I'm just doing a test fit right now. You're going to place the coupler on here, and then you're just going to press it down like that, and that's going to put it in at the right depth. Okay, so the bead of glue inside. And I always like to smear it around. Make sure we got some all the way around the perimeter. And get it off my finger. And just press it in until it's flat on the table. Just like that. And I'm just taking a look on the inside to make sure I got glue all the way around. And if there's any excess, I'm going to just take a Q-tip and just wipe it off. The most important part is there's these little notches down there. And I want to keep those free of glue, because pulled all the fuzz off my. There's going to the boat tail on the glider slides into those notches. And I want to keep them nice and free of any glue so that they slide in easily. Okay, just like that. All right, so that is step number 22. Step 23, which I've already done previously, was to put fillets on the fins, but I also need to put fillets here at the front. And I just want to double check. This is not quite dry enough yet for me where I feel comfortable putting a fillet on, so I'm just going to press that down. And I'm just going to let that dry a few more minutes before I go ahead and put that on. Okay. Step 24, we're going to test fit our coupler inside of this tube right here. And this has to go in nice and easy. And there's always that burr on the inside of the tube. So the first thing I want to do is press that down and see if that helps make this go in easier. See, and I just hit this with my finger. This is why in step 24 it says to make sure that this is dry. Okay, so that's a lot easier. But I'm also going to take a little bit of sandpaper and just knock off any edges in there without hitting that, because that's not dry yet. Okay, just test fit. Oh, that's beautiful. It just slides in and out real easy. That's what we want. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry. And I'm also going to put fillets on it. So the next time you see this part, there will be fin fillets on it. We're going to do it the same way we did on these. We'll put a bead of glue on there, and then you'll just smooth it out with our finger to lock it in place. All right. So, yeah, so we'll be back in the next one is to attach the shock cord to this piston and attach the parachute to this part. And then this part is done, and then we're going to start building the glider.